This is a bumper sticker lecture about Lies, the hyperfiction, written by Rick Perel. Lies doesn't seem like a traditional story, and it isn't, but it still shares a lot with traditional works of literature. It has a plot. It includes a conflict and a resolution, or several resolutions, depending on how you click through the story. There are characters, just as in traditional literature. There are two major characters and two minor characters. The point of view is clearly first person. The setting includes Germany and what he calls here, which most of us assume is the United States. There are several symbols, obvious symbols, like dancing, rum and cokes, and summer lovers. Within the story, he tells us what those symbols mean. And it also has themes, which we'll talk about in a minute. One thing that's interesting about the story is that it's about their summer lovers, but one lexia says summer lover is actually the names we call our journals. So were there lovers or were there no lovers? Is this story true or is it a lie? We have the opposite statement then in a different lexia. Our summer lovers were real, but they had different names. The journal stuff was true. This is one of the endings that makes us question other things that we have read within the piece. So what does this all mean? At least some of the themes of the piece might involve the nature of truth, how difficult it is to know what is true, and perhaps even the fine line between truth and untruth. If we take it to a literary level, it also might suggest a theory about the genre of fiction and its relation to truth.